Now begin the holy of the forest, and this is what we call the from the going down to the heaven. Kajian yang saya telah kaji hari ini ialah benda square, benda piramid ini mengisi air yang banyak. Lihat, airnya akan jatuh. Air ini boleh diminum. Crazy! You are out of your mind! You are awesome! Kon ini ya, kita akan tengok kon yang diisi air akan jatuh kepada saya, okey? Okey dah? 1, 2. Kami akan gelongsorkan air ni semuanya. Lihat, we are conquer. We are conquer Borneo to the forest. Yeah. Order send the force. Morning the force. You want some? Want some? You ready? You ada? You ready? You there? Come here, forest. Don't afraid with dreams. Don't be afraid to dream, because dream will come true, you know. This stuck. This is stuck, you know. This is stuck. Kita mandi. Ya. This is enjoy life. AMJ Studio and family. Woo! Kita enjoy sekarang ni. We are enjoyable. Haha. Now, you say you want to take a bath. Now is to take a bath. No, yeah. What's up? Please. Yeah, baby. You know what? Yes. It's just enjoy. You know what? You know what? So what, baby? Enjoy your life. If you're doing life is enjoy. You are not in 2015. In the new year. Yeah. Almost Chinese New Year. Yeah. Happy Chinese New Year. All the Chinese friends. All the Chinese family. Chinese sibling, Chinese nephew, nephew,
Nephew.
nephew,
Chinese cousins.
Chinese season, Chinese season. This is Chinese season.
Happy Chinese New Year. Yeah. 恭喜发财。
晒，
恭喜恭喜
发财，
恭喜
发财。